Hello everyone, this is HP ProBook 450 and it's giving some problems in startup. Now I'm going to share it with you. It says that there's some imminent failure at the hard disk. The error code is 301 and this error code is indicating that the hard disk is not functioning properly. And today I'm going to replace the old mechanical hard disk with this Samsung SSD, and I'm going to share it with you. So the laptop turned off. I'm closing the lid, taking out power. Now I'm going to take out the back cover. And finally, the back cover came out. And this is the hard drive that I'm going to replace. Now I'm going to take out the installing screws and the connectors and put the solid state drive instead of this old mechanical hard drive. So the hard disk is installed on a tray. I'm going to remove these two screws holding the tray. Now I'm going to pull this tab and the hard disk comes with its metal tray. Okay, the SATA connector is also removed. I have the hard disk. Now I'm going to take out these screws and also take out the old hard disk and put the new SSD drive and then install it to the laptop. Now I have installed the 4 screws holding the SSD to the tray. Now I'm going to attach the connector and then install the SSD to its place. You need to put this screw. Now it's okay. And our SSD is installed to the computer. Now I'm going to put the back cover. After installing the SSD drive, I'm going to turn on computer for the first time. It's giving warning messages saying that operating system is not found. That's perfectly normal. Windows is not installed to the new SSD drive yet. Fast hard drive check. The result of the test is positive, so the SSD drive passed the test. It is ready for use. So I'm going to install Windows to the SSD and start using my laptop again. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a nice day.